Hi everybody, Kathleen here of Organizing Options. I received a shipment of teddy bears that I'm actually using in an education program. I'm going to open the box. I bought them at an auction. Pretty excited. Let's see what we got. Here we are, Mary Lou and Kathleen. Now you can see the 33 teddy bears that we have holed up in the den in our home. And some of these are from a collection from my personal collection, purchases made in the city of Montreal, Canada. Others are from an auction in the United States in Illinois. So I'm really happy to have these 33 teddy bears, and there's a purpose for this. I'm not going to just keep this many things, but actually, let me take a moment to tell you the difference between hoarding and collecting. Collecting is when you want to display items of which you have more than a few. Hoarding, I collect clocks, by the way. Okay, we'll just wait till that chime finishes. Hoarding is basically when you have a difficult time letting go of anything, whether it's useless, broken, damaged, toxic. There's a difficulty in parting with it. In the case here of these teddy bears, this is a collection of teddy bears that has an intention. I'm going to buy a 7-foot shelf lengthwise to store and hold and display some of these precious teddy bears. And in addition to that, I'm going to do a prototype of a shadow box with the theme of Christmas. And I will be sharing that with you later, closer to the time, maybe October, November. Okay, Mary Lou and Kathleen, Mom, smile. Mom, smile. You're on camera. So here we are with you, the last little bit of our video about teddy bears. And we want to thank you so much for joining us. And just to let you know, the best way to organize a collection is every once in a while, lay it out, clean it, dust it, and then display it. But don't just leave it there, because dust does gather and create problems down the road, like discoloration, depending on where the sun is shining through the windows. But I'm really happy to have had this time to share this collection with you. Right, Mom? Right, Mom?
Wake up, Mom.
No, I said right. Correct? Am I right?
Right.
Okay, thanks. Until the next time, take care.